Dr. Michael Weber back to talk to you again. I've been a practicing chiropractor for 23 years, soft tissue specialist, and we're going to talk about the number one question, the problem I probably see more than anything in my 23 years is back pain. Our government has called this the number one scourge of the American public, and we have amazing results with people with back pain. We do things they're not going to find most anywhere else. What do? I have my soft tissue technique where I use ART to release scar tissue adhesions and entrapments, where we're not just adjusting the spine, we're not giving you medications, we're not doing surgery, we're finding the real cause of your problem in the vast majority of cases. And in a short period of time, you are going to be seeing relief you didn't think was possible, you didn't imagine you were going to see. We want to return your body to a state it was in years ago. We want to make you feel the best you felt in years. And what I tell people, as you go through with the program that I have, as you get older and your driver's license says you're 1 year older, you will feel better in a year than what you're feeling right now. Results often come very quick in a few visits, if not sooner. A few more visits, we usually get you close to your optimal state. But back pain, be gone, in the past, give us a call. We'll show you what we can do and discuss it with you. Make the contact below.